Discover the best night vision goggles for clear, reliable vision in complete darkness, perfect for outdoor, security, and low-light use. Starting at number 1. Night Vision Goggles. High-resolution 4K infrared night vision lets you see clearly in total darkness and record sharp photo and video footage. Equipped with 8x digital zoom and infrared illumination, these goggles/scope can detect targets far away, often up to 984 feet, 300 m, in complete darkness. Many include a rechargeable battery and a 32 GB memory card for storing images/videos right out of the box, making them ideal for hunting, surveillance, camping, and wildlife observation. Number 2. Head-mounted night vision goggles. The AILNJUC head-mounted night vision goggles deliver powerful hands-free performance with advanced 850 nanometers infrared technology, allowing clear visibility in complete darkness up to 1,312 feet, 400 meters. Designed for versatility, these digital infrared binoculars are ideal for hunting, camping, wildlife observation, and nighttime patrols. The adjustable head-mounted system ensures comfortable, hands-free use and is compatible with fast Michigan, tactical, and military-style helmets. Featuring 8x digital zoom, a 2.7-inch Ultra HD TFT screen, and a fully coated 25mm objective lens, they provide a wide field of view with sharp, detailed images. In addition, users can capture high-quality 2048 by 1536 photos and smooth 1080p videos at 30 fps, making these goggles a reliable choice for both observation and recording in total darkness. Number 3. Night Vision Binoculars Goggles. The Arzenio head-mounted night vision goggles offer powerful, hands-free infrared viewing with a 2.7-inch wide LCD screen and a fully coated 25mm objective lens for sharp clarity in complete darkness up to 1,312 feet, 400 meters. Featuring 10x lens magnification, 8x digital zoom, and adjustable viewing levels, these goggles deliver a wide field of view for precise nighttime observation. The built-in 3000 mAh rechargeable battery and 3W850 nanometers infrared illuminator provide long-lasting performance without the need for disposable batteries. Equipped with a high-performance CMOS sensor, they support 4K and 1080p video recording along with 12MP photo capture, making them ideal for night hunting, fishing, camping, security, surveillance, and wildlife watching. Designed for flexibility, the goggles can be used handheld or mounted with the included adjustable headband and helmet bracket, and they come complete with a 32 GB SD card, data cable, neck strap, and accessories for easy recording and sharing of your nighttime adventures. Number 4. Night Vision Goggles. These night vision goggles binoculars deliver clear 1080p infrared night vision with up to 5x digital zoom, making them ideal for hunting, camping, travel, and surveillance. Designed for both day and night use, the device uses advanced infrared illumination to help you see in low light or complete darkness with a sharp digital display and adjustable viewing modes. With capabilities to capture HD video and images, these binoculars enhance outdoor adventures and security tasks by bringing distant subjects into view even in pitch-black conditions. Compact and portable, they're a versatile tool for wildlife observation, night reconnaissance, and general outdoor exploration. Number 5. Night Vision Goggles for Adults. The Hexium Night Vision Goggles for Adults combine powerful performance and user-friendly design, featuring a 3-inch HD display and advanced optics for clear viewing in both daylight and complete darkness. With support for 4K video recording and detailed 36MP photo capture, these binoculars are ideal for wildlife observation, hunting, and security surveillance. The 25mm objective lens and 5x digital zoom allow you to observe distant targets with clarity, while the eye-friendly screen delivers immersive, natural color playback. Powered by a long-lasting 5,000 mAh rechargeable battery and equipped with a 32 GB memory card, they're built for extended nighttime use. Easy file transfer via Type-C cable, tripod compatibility for hands-free operation, and a rugged, portable design make these night vision goggles a reliable companion for outdoor adventures and nighttime monitoring.